Hello guys, welcome on Tesla Eduventures. In this video, we are going to discuss the series LR circuit connected in AC. So first of all, let us discuss about the fact that again, if V is the resultant voltage and VL is the voltage across inductor and VR is the voltage across resistor. So we cannot write V as VL plus VR. This is absolutely incorrect, wrong. Because obviously we have already discussed about this point that in these circuits, VL and VR or VC or VR are not in the same phase. So to know about the phase, we have to draw the phasor diagram. So let us draw the phasor diagram. So at t is equal to 0, we always draw the phasor diagram. So at t is equal to 0, we will place the current on x-axis because we know that in the series circuits current is same and in parallel circuits voltage is same. So in parallel circuits we always place the voltage on reference axis x-axis, but in the series circuits we always place current as a reference quantity for the phasor diagram on x-axis. Now we know that the voltage across resistance VR is always in the same phase of that of current, and the voltage across inductor VL is ahead of the current by a phase of pi by 2. And obviously, as you can see that these are the two quantities which are needed to be added, and therefore the vector addition of these two will be this one, and this angle will be phi, and tan phi will be equal to VL upon VR, and VL will be IXL, VR will be IR. So tan phi will be equal to XL upon R. Okay, this is the value of tan phi. Now if we talk about V will be equal to under root of VL square plus VR square, and V will be equal to IZ. VL will be equal to IXL and VR will be equal to IR. Okay, so cancelling I with I, we can see that Z will be equal to under root of XL square plus R square. This is the impedance. And we have already discussed about the impedance that in alternating currents, any circuit which is a combination of R, C or L, it offers some opposition to the current, and that opposition combinedly is called as impedance Z. The name is impedance. Okay, and if we now discuss about the current I, so I will be I naught sine omega t, and you can see that the phase of voltage is omega t at any time t, but the phase of current is behind the phase of voltage by phi. So at any time t, the phase of current will be behind the phase of voltage by phi. And I naught can be written as V naught by Z. So we can say that I will be equal to I naught, which is V naught by Z sine omega t minus tan inverse XL by R. This will be the equation of current as a function of time. And now if we discuss about the average power loss. So we know the formula that average power loss is VRMS into IRMS into cos phi. Now cos phi is the power factor. And as we know that tan phi is XL upon R. You can see that tan phi is XL upon R. Therefore, cos phi will be R upon under root of XL square plus R square. So I can say that cos phi will be equal to R upon Z. Okay, this is cos phi. So the average power loss in the circuit P average will be equal to VRMS into IRMS. Now IRMS will be VRMS upon Z and cos phi will be R upon Z. So average power loss will be equal to VRMS square into R upon Z. This is the average power loss in this series LR circuit. And obviously this loss will occur because there is a presence of resistance in this circuit. So the power loss will not be zero in this circuit. And also it is very important to note that you can see that this phasor diagram indicates that inductor is present in the circuit, because you can see that in this phasor diagram voltage is ahead of current by a phase angle of phi. Now if phi would have been 90-degree, then it would have clearly indicated that this is a pure inductive circuit, but obviously phi is not 90-degree, so it shows that this is not a pure inductive circuit, and there is a presence of some other element also in this circuit, which is resistance in this case. So this phasor diagram will itself tell about the presence of circuit elements in the combined circuit. So in the next video, we'll be discussing the parallel LR circuit. Thank you.